Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. How's the mic? I don't know what I need to do. There we go. All right. Pound yen. We have news in 2 minutes. Let me clean this up. Let's get rid of these. Daily's up there. Where do we open? 5, 6, 7. Perfect. All right. So daily is currently bearish. 4 hour is bearish, and we're retesting this previous 4 hour resistance, pretty much 195 area. Sorry. So we've got news, like I said, retail sales. What's the forecast for retail sales? Retail sales is forecast at minus 0.3, which is not good. That is not good. You want positive retail sales at least above 0.0%. The minus percentage. About the 4 hours pulling back. Let's put this resistance in here. Pulling back below 195. Okay, we're getting a closure below. So I'm looking for either a retest of this 4 hour resistance below, or to push back up and retrace this drop from Asian session. But this news, it doesn't look like it's going to be bullish for GJ. So we might have some sells. Okay, pushing up, broke the previous high. Let's see what these results were. Anna, Rosie, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Where are my results? 1%, okay, which is positive. So that's actually good news. So numbers came out good. Positive retail sales, much better than forecast. And we are pushing down. Just cautious of these wicks to the left. Obviously we're at this kind of psychological level. So pound yen, I'm looking for a support to actually continue up, because I'm quite bullish on pound yen. And the news is positive, so we might get that, hopefully get that push. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, and then take it from there. What I'm going to do actually as well is take a look at, while the news is still happening, take a look at what happened during the last retail sale. So that was February 21st. Let's take a quick look. It's like last Friday of the month ish. February 21st, retail sales. It's actually bullish. And then dropped, and that was positive as well. So the news, we pushed up, created a rejection, and then sold. Well, it seemed like the trend was overall bearish anyway. Created a little double top there. So we'll see what we get today. But yeah, wait for the candle to close and then take it from there. Let's take a look at gold. Let's put some levels in. Don't really have a decent support just yet. Yeah, that's all I've got right now. So gold on the daily is currently super bullish. So we had that Asian session push that happens with gold on a Thursday. It's not all the time it happens, but a lot of the time we get, like, if there's a big push on a Wednesday, Asian session will continue, the buyers up. And it looks like that's exactly what happened. Broke yesterday's high, kept pushing, and now we've got no structure on the 4 hour. We've just got long bullish candles. So in order for sells, I'm going to need the 4 hour to create a resistance. So obviously that's not going to be in a while. Or like a lower time frame reversal pattern. So that would be like a double top. I'll show you. It would be a lower time frame double top, or like a bearish engulfing, something like that, just for some quick counter trend sells. But really we need some structure for buyers on gold. Let me go back to the 4 hour. So levels, looking for probably a retest of this 4 hour. That seems like quite far away. It does seem like quite far away. It's like 300 pips, 310 pips from where we are right now. But if gold does pull back, that's what I'm looking for. Played the 4 hour levels. 30-minute. Gold is just pushing. Had a closure above a very long time ago. What was that? 5 o'clock. And we had this long pullback. So let me see, how long is that? So closure above at 5. This candle pushed up 50 pips, pulled back 40 pips, filled the wick, and then kept pushing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So yeah, just gonna have to wait for some structure on gold, but I think we might hit 3100 today. I think we might actually hit 3100. Yesterday, oh my god, the gold buys back up. Let me tell you, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gold buys back up. I should have put it in the community notes or the Discord, but I put it on my Instagram. But so before the stream ended, I said I was looking, obviously, very bullish on gold. I didn't want to take the sells down. Didn't really have a setup anyway, because I didn't get a closure below. We closed right above the support, and then we fell down like, it was about 200 pips over here. All the way, okay, it was 165 pips. Gold dropped. A very nice drop, but I was still bullish on gold. So I said a retest of either this resistance here, so I was looking about 30, 37, 30, 38, and then or 30, I think it was a 1 hour, so 30, 34 or 30, 35, I think I said. Bro, why is this cat so loud? Hello? Gonna have to stop shouting, buddy. Come on here shouting. Man. Sorry. Interrupted by pets. So yeah, retest of 30.34. So once I see this candle pull back, it tapped into this wiki area and it started to push back up. Oh my god, 1 second. If you're gonna be making noise, you're gonna have to come out. Jesus. Alright, sorry. So yeah, we pulled down, tapped into this area, started to push back up. Actually took an entry. First entry was about 36. Yeah, took an entry here. So once it came back to this support, I took an entry. That was 1. And then it pushed up. I took another entry about 40. So when not here, it was actually here. So once this candle opened around there, I took another entry. We carried on pushing up. I took an entry when this candle opened. So we closed back in the range. This candle pushed down a little bit. I took another one, and then I took an entry when it broke the highs. I think I took an entry somewhere around here as well, like when this candle broke the high. So I had about 5 entries because I was really expecting gold to make all-time highs, and it did. And I got out about 50. I got out, I think the last trade I took was actually break even because it pushed up and then it was pulling back. It was doing a lot of silliness. I didn't want to be trading too late. And yeah, so I got out. And altogether that was about nearly 500 pips. About 500 pips. So yeah, beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. So I mean, most of the trades I call are literally at the end of the stream. When I'm getting off, I'm like, yeah, this is what I think is going to happen. And then it happens. So the trades calls, I have them up here, but I rarely call a trade during the stream that I don't take. It's always my analysis at the end. But I believe Yeehaw was looking for a retest as well. I think they called 30.35. So I wonder if they took the trade as well. I'll ask later on the NY stream. But man, yeah, that was beautiful. Where is my pen? But yeah, really got on this morning to see what pound yen was gonna do, and it doesn't seem like much. Doesn't seem like much. All right, beautiful. Pound yen is pushing up. This is perfect. If it stays bullish, like I said, we get a support, then I'm definitely looking for buyers back up. Just put some levels in. Like, I know this is kind of choppy to the left, but I think with volume, we keep pushing. As long as pound yen stays above 195, because this is quite a key area right here. This whole, above this weekly and daily resistance that's been holding for a while. Now we're above here. I think, yeah, maybe we get a retest. This might be the retest into this wicks, into these wicks, and then we flip bullish on the daily and keep pushing. I remember when my bias was bearish on pound yen for the longest. For the longest time. And engulfing would be perfect. It would. If we can stay up here. Right, so a new 15-minute candle. Okay, 15 looks very good. So you've had an engulfing on the 15-minute time frame, which is perfect. It's a good start. You know, the better buys would be if we close back above this support. If we get a gold continuation pattern as well, I might look for some gold buys too. Doesn't seem like gold wants to slow down, but if it does, you know, a weak bearish candle would be good. Let's see if it stays within this little range. 34 pip stop loss. Come on, GJ. 6 more pips. Let's close back above. Might get a 1 hour. closure. Man. I was telling my friends, gold is very comfortable in the 3000s. Very comfortable in the 3000s because when we first got up here and then we dropped down, when gold dropped down, we tapped into like the 2900s, but we came right back up. Like, then we came close and then we came up. Like, gold's comfortable up here. It's very bullish. It's chilling. Caswell, what's happening? What's happening? If gold breaks the current 15-minute high, I'm taking buys. Let's see what the 15 is looking like. Okay, impulse entry. I see you. I see you. I see you. At least there's structure on the 15-minute. That's good. If the 30-minute close is weak, bearish, which I'm hoping, then I'm taking the break of these highs here. Not the impulse entry, but definitely break of these highs. Alright, let me just move some stuff around. There you go, it's better. Benny said impulse looks good. Well, how far is it? How far are we from the highs? Not far. 17 pips. Let's see, they're on the 15. Keep it on the 15s. Check it out. We're pushing. Alright, pound yen is also coming back up into this area. So we got Asian lows are right here. This candle, it's 530 candle. So we're pushing back above Asian highs as well. So yeah, I think we get a good push back up on pound yen. Hopefully if we close above, then definitely getting into some buys. Oh, how big is that stop loss? Like 30 pips. I was just measuring on my broker. I can just do it here. Yeah, about 30 pips stop loss. Gold came close, very close to breaking those highs. Gold don't want to give us that impulse entry just yet, huh? Alright, yeah, now this engulfing looks very good. Would be better if it closed above here, but if we close close and then we get a push up, I'm going to take an entry. Goldie. Yeah, if gold doesn't close with a weak bullish candle, then I'm just going to wait. Because a strong bullish candle could be, you know, a good resistance. And then we start a little pullback from here. Nothing crazy. Yeah. So yeah, weak bullish. So it needs to close about at least, you know, around 84 with a long bottom wick. The wicks need to be longer than the body. But if you get a strong bearish body, I'm gonna wait. How's my GJ looking? Yeah, it looks like pound yen might be the play. All right, so it's gonna wait for a bottom wick and get in at the break of this high. Yeah, gold didn't close with a candle that I want to get in some buys. No. So yeah, it's formed a resistance here, and I think we get a bit more of a pullback. You know, it's starting to create that structure. Yeah, it looks breaking the previous low. So this, I wouldn't just get into sells, even though I'm anticipating a pullback, because it's just one bearish candle. Even if it comes all the way down here, I want to see if it retests and then retraces. Just like yesterday. Or if it forms, it could form a support anywhere above, anywhere in this range to then push up. Pound yen doesn't look like it wants to give any buys just yet too. Or it's just creating a really nice stop loss. I don't mind that. Not much of a top wick. $10 pips so far. Obviously, if it pushes down too much, we'll see if it breaks this last high. Come on, pound yen, flip and push. Can't believe gold is all the way up here though, so soon. I mean, I anticipated an Asian session push, but damn, look at this. As soon as Asian session opened, which is about 1 o'clock my time, probably is 12 because it's an hour earlier now, yeah. Got that push up, broke the highs, continuation pattern, just pushing. I like that pound yen is pushing down first though. Now make a nice bottom wick. And then towards the end of the candle, flip and drive up. Either way, it's got to make more of a top wick. This is very small here. So gold waiting for some structure. Oh. Oh, GJ's pushing down a bit too much. Now, if it breaks his previous low, the sales don't look good no more. Oh, continuation pattern down, eh? Okay. I mean, if that's the case, if GJ wants to keep pushing, we do have a pretty clean range down. First stop. First stop 194.3. Currently holding a sell from 30.85. Oh, nice. You got in at the top. Pretty much when this candle was flipping. Where was it, like up here? Yeah, that's nice. That's nice, that's nice. Yeah, I want gold to create some structure. Then I can take the buys back up. So this pullback is looking good. It's got the resistance. We've broken that low. Now the sales definitely look good. It's just how far down. Because it's a counter trend trade. Yeah, good entry. It was. GJ is about to break the lows. I think we're gonna keep pushing down, you know. Just don't know how long to hold. Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, you're at what, 50 pips now? You should have a plan, an exit plan. So what do you need to see to get out of the trade? Do you know what I mean? Are you aiming for a certain amount of pips? Do you want it to get to a certain level? Do you want to see how far it pushes before the candle closes? Cool. Yeah, I'm just very cautious of sells at the moment because obviously gold is super bullish. I've got London open in 20. European Open. We broke the low of the last higher low, so a good sign. The low of the last higher low. On what time frame? What time frame you talking about, H? We broke the low of the last higher high. So this is a higher high here. And this is a higher high. Do you just mean of this bearish candle here? You mean this low? You're talking about a 7 o'clock candle. Where's the top of the Asian range? Asian range has got to be about... Let's just put it on. Ah, okay. Pull back to down there. Not bad, not bad. I just really don't trust gold buys. I mean, gold sells. Not just yet. The low of the last bull candle on the 30-minute. Oh, this one here. Alright, because... Alright. GJ impulse entry looks good. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close, because I think if it's gonna close bearish, it's gonna close below, because essentially we have a little minor support here, don't we? Have a little support there. But we've got a clean range down for pound yen. It's like a break and retest. So it looks like it's starting to retrace, closing 80%. Yeah, it's a good idea. Gold is creating structure to continue up. It's so bullish. Yep. Damn. GJ just gonna drop like that. It's a random burst of volume. Did you catch it, Caswell? That was a sell stop, that sell stop most likely got slipped. That was a mad push. Okay, Benny's in. Benny's in. So we've got a new 15-minute candle opening as well. If this doesn't fill the wick, I think it pushes up. But we're still creating some structure. I prefer it on the 30-minute, to be honest. So if this wants to drop down some more, that's good. Okay, GJ taking his time. Gold is still dropping. Wait, how far is gold gonna pull back? Might actually get a retest. So I'll be looking for a retest of this broken resistance on the 30-minute. But like I said, if it closes above, then maybe the next candle to create the support, and then get in after that support. So maybe 8:30 if I get support on the next candle. But still 11 minutes to go. Still quite a lot of time. Yeah, GJ, I'm not going to take an impulse just because we've got these rejection wicks to the left and this little minor support right here. So I need it to be broken, closure below. It's not crazy long of a wait. But look, all these wicks, it could wick down into here and then pull up. But if it closes below, then that's my confirmation that price should continue down. Well, GJ's about to hit 30.78. Beautiful pullback. It's giving us, creating a nice range. That was what's needed, man. So now at least if we're taking buys back up, we've got this clean range back up. Alright, so we're retesting Asian highs. Did we tap it? Yeah, pretty much. $77, $73. Yeah, we did. Tapped into the Asian highs. I only go to close. So GJ's broken the lows, but it's not really driving down. Nice retracement on gold. It is. It really is. It really is. It's a good level to retest. Alright, 6 minutes till that candle closes. Potentially sells on pound yen. Although overall I am still bullish. I'm still bullish on pound yen, but you know it's Friday. Pound yen likes a Friday sell-off. And it's pushing down from a psychological level. You know, below 195. Dum, dum. Gold pulling back up. GJ is dropping. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright, hopefully not too far. But I'd like the next candle to obviously pull up, make a top wick, maybe retest. But at least a top wick and then break the low and we sell through this range. Because the daily's bearish. 4 hours bearish. This was just news, the reaction to news, so I guess we're going to continue pulling back. That's pound yen. I really don't want pound yen to close too far back into this range. Ugh, man, back below 194.7, which has been my buy target for about God knows how long. Too long. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna sell, you know. Oh, pound yen. You guys should still be in your trades. There's no way you would have gone break even already. Not yet. Not when it hadn't even pushed 10 pips. But it should be at like, what, 12 pips now? 88, yep. About that. Clean range down. This trade might leave us. Might leave me, not even us. Big bearish GJ candle, right? It's had one engulfing, then the next one engulfed that one. Like a double engulfing. 39.5 pips. Yeah, that's a good candle right there. But next candle stop loss won't be so big. How far we got to the bottom of this range? 42 pips, 43 pips. All good, all good. Perfect. Very good distance. Yeah, nothing to do on gold now. Unfortunately. So with pound yen, if it pulls up, obviously I want to get in at the break of this low. But if we get a nice long top wick, I might take the candle flip. Either way, my stop loss will start above this candle and then I'll reduce it. But should definitely get that closure below in the next 35 seconds. Yeah, nothing on gold just yet. Need a support. Need a support on gold to push back up. Or if it closes below this resistance, maybe some more sells. Nah, this range is too small. Yeah, I need a retest. Resistance, support, or support formed up here. Alright. About to take an entry on pound yen once we break this low. Alright, give me a top wick first. Damn. Alright, once this candle flips bearish and then breaks the low, I'll be in. It's a big stop loss. Like I said, I'll reduce it. This is good. Create a nice top wick. It's a new hourly candle, so that's expected. Wow, my entry is literally 74 on the dot. Alright, see if we can catch these GJ sells. Gold pushing up. This is good, this is good. Okay, I'm literally 2 pips from entry. Alright, GJ. I'm adding to my position. Nice, 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 nice. That's the idea. If it decides to flip, so let's create in a top wick. Yeah, we knew our candle, market open, gonna expect a bit of volume. Do you know what I mean? Of course, I prefer when it goes the opposite direction of the trade that I want anyway. Like, if I want sells, yeah, go up first, then flip and drive down, and we're good. Okay, gold still pulling back. If we break this low, yeah, we got further to go. Again, still looking for a retest of this resistance. Expected a little reaction of Asian highs. But if we close below, I wouldn't say this is a fake out because gold is not bearish. But we did have a nice clean range to retrace. It's a beautiful range. Very nice range. Damn, it's only been 6 minutes into this candle. And gold's moved 53 pips. $53 pips. That's 100 pips from these highs already. Gold ain't playing. GJ's retesting that broken support. Let's see. It's pulling back up. It's pulling back up. I mean, the more it pulls up, the better, to be honest, because if this candle does now flip bearish and drive, then that's where my stop loss is going to be. It's going to be above the top wick. So it's good. As long as it doesn't pull all the way up and break this previous high, I'm good anyway. My stomach's growling. I need some food. There's still quite a lot of time left. I mean, like I said, it's only been, what, 8 minutes? All right, Goldie. It's a nice little pullback here. I've got the first retest. Now it either bounces from here or we push down further and respect this support. Now, if gold closes below this support, this is where I'll be taking sells. Because we'll be breaking gold structure. We'll be breaking the uptrend structure on the 30-minute. Because right now we've got, so say we've had this push up. Right? So if we come down, we're breaking this support right here. We're making a low. And yeah, I'd anticipate we keep dropping. So gold's dropping, GJ's pushing. Wait, where's this 15-minute going? Ooh, 15-minute broke that previous 15-minute high. 15-minute looks like it might be closing back up in this range. Not really liking the sells as much. Wait, are you guys still in your... You guys took the impulse entries, right? How far did that go? Got to like 14 pips. Damn, couldn't even give you that 20 pips. That's annoying. It's just engulfings everywhere. So look, we engulfed there, came up, engulfed here, came down, we're engulfing now. It's like, DJ don't want to make up his mind. Even though I'm bullish and I would love for pound yen to stay above 195, I can imagine the way that the way pound yen has been inside this range. I wouldn't put it past it to come back down. Like, look, every time we've pushed up, we came down. Even this wick, we wicked up, we came down. Wicked up, we came down. We tap in, we come down. So I wouldn't even be surprised if today we push back into this range. But as long as we stay above this support, there's a potential that GJ continues this uptrend structure on the daily. You know? But I wouldn't put it past it to pull back. This is creating quite a big top wick. 25 pips. Does make for a better stop loss. Yeah, but yeah, if we close bullish, and obviously I'm going to get rid of this sell stop. Because my original bias was buys. I was hoping this candle flipped, broke the high, pushed up. That's why I prefer a bit of a later entry, because I have better confirmations. Alright, gold, we're still pushing through this range. Where did Ashley have that? She had a fib. She had a fib. So minus 27 was 30.93 as a target. We didn't quite get there. Okay, GJ. Okay, I like how the 15 closed. I like this. I like this. The sells are still good. I like this. So we've got the support here. We closed below the support on 15. Now, if this candle, this current 15 breaks the high, then I'm going to delete this sell stop, because the candles are then trending up for the moment, and I'll wait for a different setup. But if we respect this previous high and then break this low, obviously we'll be in the trade. But I like that it pulled back and created this top wick. And we still close below this 30-minute support. which is perfect. Just needs to keep driving down now. Oh shoot. All right, gold. How far are we dropping? Where we going? Where we going? What a pullback. Ooh. 123 pips. Jeez. That's a good pullback, boy, from the highs. All right, come on, DJ. Give us that entry. Let's get some sales too. Shoot. We didn't get 123 pips from gold. Just give us a little 20. Oh, GJ's messing about. But last 10 minutes of the candle, that's when we see some real movement. So hopefully we get the drive down, or it does something. All right, gold at 30.72. Look at GJ. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. M30 continuation pattern for GJ. Yeah, right? Alright. Okay, 6 pips from entry. Now we've got a nice top wick to use as a stop loss. Nice top wick, and hopefully 8:30 candle, it just continues to drive down. Even if it closes like this, it's still perfect. You have that continuation pattern. Well, it might have an entry in a second. 4 pips away. Doesn't want to drive down. If it does and it breaks this low, I hope it doesn't slip my entry. That'll be a bit annoying. But it is what it is. Haven't been entered in yet. Literally 2 pips away. 1 pip. 2 pips. 3 pips. Oh my god. GJ's playing all the games. Let's take a quick look at gold. Gold's closing back in this range. If it pulls up and it closes above this resistance, I think we get the buys back up sooner rather than later. You're gonna wait for structure on gold. I have to anyway, so I still need a I need a support. I don't really, for the sells below this support, I mean, it's pushed down over 100 pips already. Let's say from this resistance down, look, it's 130 pips. If I get a closure below this support, how much more is gold pulling back? Do you know what I mean? It needs to need a break in the structure, like a continuation pattern, something like that. We need a green candle. Where's GJ? Oh my god, now we're 10 pips away from entry again. But you know what, continuation pattern would be great. It would be great. We pulled up, we're rejecting this area, this resistance, this support, to sell down. That'd be great. Damn, Goldie. Serious pullback from the highs. Gold closure below looks good, but stop loss is huge. Listen, listen. I left the gold club and they said no re-entry. Man, the gold sales were nice. The initial sales were nice. Yeah, it's just crazy right now. Like, even on a 15-minute, stop loss is still quite big. No top wick on that 15 either. Yeah, a little 84 pip stop loss. As you do. Insane. Now I wouldn't use 5 minutes for a stop loss. Yeah, gold is pushing. It's a good retracement. Very good retracement. But I think it's obviously still bullish. Because I expected something like this yesterday and capitalized and caught like, you know, nearly 500 pips yesterday. So that's all good. Like from here, pull down from the highs, tapped into an area, push back up. So that's not, it's not a thing. But we've got no bottom wick on quite a few of these candles. Look, we've got no bottom wick right there. So we could be coming back for that. 30.65. Is that it? Yeah, 30.65 maybe. But we've broken these levels, so they're not valid anymore. Creating a nice range. Minute and 20, and still haven't been entered into pound yen. That's crazy. If in the next candle, hopefully it doesn't just open and drive down. Hopefully it makes a top wick, because I don't, if it opens and drives down, then there's a potential that when it pulls back up to create the top wick, I'll be in some drawdown. So hopefully it pushes up a little bit first, then, you know, maybe retest again with this support, or just even a little top wick and just a push down. That would be good. Okay, it's giving us a little top wick. Well, we've got a continuation pattern, so the sales are still valid. We just need an entry. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Hopefully it doesn't enter in. Oh. All right, been entered in. Finally. All right, stop loss above the previous candle, and just gonna let this thing run down to support. took his time about it. And I got slipped 2 pips. Nice. I'll be back 2 seconds. All right, GJ, come on, let's push. Let's go, let's go, let's go. The setup was really nice. The setup was really nice from GJ. Just needed to keep pushing now. Alright, let's take a look at gold while GJ's faffing about. So gold, yeah, we've broken these last structure points here on the 30-minute and 1 hour. We've pushed down. So, you know, if we're going to retrace this whole move, could just be creating a top wick, break the low, and then come down to the daily flip. I mean, we broke yesterday's high pretty quick. Very quick. Very, very quick. But, let's keep an eye on pound yen. It's good. 8 pips in profit so far. Oh my god, every time I look at this thing, it pulls back up. Pulling back up to entry. Didn't quite get to the 10 pips, but risk management wise, how big is this stop loss? Stop loss, it's not even that bad. Stop loss is 27 pips. All right, so if I let's say halfway. 27 pips. Let's do 14 pips around there. All right, so I'm gonna close 50% if price pulls up halfway towards my stop loss. So I'm gonna manage my risk. Yeah, I don't want it to pull up that much. 14 pips. I might pull up to make a longer top wick. Oh, GJ doesn't want to push. Lovely. He's taking his time to slide the initial sells. Do 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 do. GJ's going to take his time to drop. Gold is pushing back up. gonna be a long one today, isn't it? Good old Fridays, Friday morning movements. Wait, you guys that are in your Benny Caswell, you took the impulse entries. Did that get to 20 pips? That would have been about here, right? Oh yeah, you guys got to 20 pips. Got both running at full positions. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice. Didn't take it, was just calling. Caswell. What? What? I'm surprised. I'm surprised you didn't take it. I know Caswell. I mean, I know Benny's all in for the impulse entries. Are you in this trade then, Caswell? Clean candles down. Nice range. Daily's bearish. 4 hours bearish. Got bearish structure. There's no reason pound yen shouldn't go down. It's just taking his time about it. Yeah, you do say you're in. You and Benny both. That's true, that's true. Cool, cool. This trade is struggling. That 4 hour support on GJ. 4 hour support. What price? Why does this price say 748? That's definitely not where we're at. Ooh, icy markets. This looks frozen right here. That's not cool. Oh, there we go. It's woken up. Well, as long as pound yen stays below 194.8, you know, we're good. $194.743. You got a 4 hour support there. Oh, you mean this resistance? Yeah, it's an old level, man. It's been holding quite a while. You think it's just a retest? I hope not. I hope not. But I can understand why prices reacting to that level, because it's been holding for so long. It's been important for weeks, days. Oh, GJ. It's taking its time. I mean, the sells are definitely still good as long as we respect this previous high. Just kind of wanted to be at least locked, have some locked in before 9 o'clock, before the new 4-hour candle opens in 11 minutes and 30 seconds. You know, the 4-hour, it's just been dropping, hasn't it? And hopefully it did close below. I mean, we've got clean candles down, but it would have been nice if it did, you know, we continue pushing. Doom. Crazy, 22 pips pull back. All right, yeah, I'm closing half. Let's move that. See if it retests this support again. Like I said, as long as we respect this previous low, I mean the previous high at 195.007, then obviously the sales still look good. But I mean, with 10 minutes left, I was kind of expecting it would have been better if it pushed up first and then was pushing down in the last 10 minutes. Look, 15-minute, not a nice 15-minute candle closure, to be honest. And we've broken a previous 15-minute high. Probably should have closed some here, to be fair, looking at it. But it's all good. Ending the week strong. Yesterday's trade was too nice to even worry about a little GJ loss, honestly. Honestly, if I lose all day, I wouldn't even care. Obviously, I won't take that many losses, but, you know. I'm good. I would, if it does flip and re-break, I probably would add some back. Damn, gold didn't want to come back down at all. GJ pushing up. Oh, it's above the resistance, above the support now. It's not looking good. Alright, 6 minutes left. If this candle closes above 194.912, yeah, if it closes above this support, I'm just going to close the trade and just look for another entry probably later. But I don't want it to close back up in this range. So if it does, I'm out. Unless it hits my stop loss in the next 6 minutes. One of the two. Yeah, that 15-minute really pulled back, left a long wick. Looks like it might hit stop loss before I get to close manually. Damn, gold. Gold closing back in the range. Might be looking at some gold buys. Might be looking at some gold buys. It makes a... I don't think I can use this previous candle as a stop loss. Nope. 83 pips. Oh my god. Gold pushed all the way back up. Wowza. 83 pips. Yeah, that's nuts. Alright, 15. Okay, 15 don't look too bad. We're just forgetting top wicks and bottom wicks everywhere. Got gold back in this range. I like it, I like it. Yeah, I'm definitely considering gold buys. This is exactly what I was waiting for structure. A nice pullback, support, and then buys back up. And we've closed back in this range, or we're closing if it stays above here. So yeah, I might get into some gold buys, depending on the bottom wick that it makes. Depending on the bottom wick. But using a 15 as a stop loss, it's what, 38 pips? Call it 40 pips. That's not bad. Not bad. Since GJ wants to push up, it's misbehaving. Set up these magic keys. One minute left. Yeah, I kind of like some gold buys, you know. I don't want to be in two trades though. GJ, what are you doing? What are we doing here? What are we doing? So GJ's gonna close below the support. So we still got a strong probability that GJ is gonna go down. Respect to the previous 30-minute high. I don't know if I'm gonna stay on stream while this whole trade plays out. I think once this candle closes though, I might move my stop loss above this candle's high. Because if it breaks, if it starts breaking highs, then obviously the trade for me is invalid. You know? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wanted to get out GJ so I can get into gold. I need a little bottom wick, and then if it breaks the high. Boom. Oh, GJ. Come on, drop then. GJ's playing. It is. It really is. I'm considering gold buys. Yeah, me too. Me too. I really like gold right now. It's exactly the structure I wanted. A long range. Well, we've got a pullback. I was thinking maybe a retest. No, I didn't expect it to come all the way down here, to be honest. But yeah, like a retest of here, but we've pushed down and now we're closing back above. We're closing back above the support, so back into the range. And then we've got these clean candles to go all the way back up. This is quite a strong support. This is a strong bullish candle right here. It's a very strong bullish candle. So if we can, gold can flip, break the high, I think it pushes up. Retest those highs. I'd be paying more attention if I wasn't trying to manage this pound yen trade. I don't like being in two different pairs at the same time. Not a fan of it. I'm kind of thinking just to leave it here and just let you know how the trade went. But I think, yeah, if this 30 minute, if it breaks this high, I'm out. So I'm going to move my stop loss down, because to me it's invalid if it starts breaking previous highs anyway. So that's me for that trade. And gold, I'm looking for gold buys. If gold flips, if it pushes down and it flips and breaks this high, I'm going to be in some gold buys. Back up. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. But I hope GJ sells down, because the structure is still quite bearish. And it'll be just my luck. I'll get off the stream and then it'll just flip and dump. I'll give it to the next 15-minute candle. Ah, yes. GJ, good. Come on, keep going. Perfect. Create that lower high. Resistance. GJ is requiring a lot of patience today. A lot of patience today. Do. Oh, pound yen, you're killing me. I don't think the gold buys are happening either. Oh, you know what? It hasn't really dropped that much. It's not 70, 80 pips. Like this previous candle. This is a big 82 pip retracement. Gold really is moving. There's so much volume in gold these days. It's unreal. It's unreal. Look at this. It's 1 30-minute candles, 130 pips. Then we retrace 80 pips. If you'd caught this down and then caught this back up, you'd have 210 pips. 210 pips in an hour. That's mad. That's mad. I'm telling you, gold's giving away at least 100, 200 pips in one trade. If you can catch gold buys, you could probably catch 100 pips. Sells, definitely 100 pips. These sells, 100 pips. Back up, 100 pips. 200 pips, in fact. This is like 160. And back up, it's mad. Oh yeah, GJ's pushing up. Yeah, maybe it's gonna stop me out. Kind of hoping it does. I'm over this trade. I'll wait for these gold buys. Just gonna catch my 100 pips. Oh, it's close. How big is this? How far is this? Yeah, man, let me get my gold buys. Let me get out this pound yen and take some gold buys up. Oh, not quite out the woods yet. Looks like it's about to push though. GJ is too funny. I nearly manually closed. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it here. No, my stop loss is if it hits 96.3. I've got it like a pip above the previous candle's high, but I am still looking for gold buys. If this candle flips bullish and breaks the high, I'm gonna go make a hot drink and some breakfast and be prepared for NY session in a couple hours. Oh, is it gonna hit the stop? It's close, it's close, it's close. But yeah, guys,